Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it is time to announce the winner of the Fabfitfun Triple Crown Battle with our uncustomized random box. We had reviews with Sue, we had Laura Wooten unboxings, and we had Miss Jackie Russell. And I was queen, but I have been dethroned. Oh yes, I am no longer the queen. I will have to become a little princess like Sue. And our new queen is Laura. So congratulations, Laura. And thank you all for voting and for coming back and telling us who your winner was for this box battle. We had so much fun and we look forward to the next one. But now we're going to get on with who won my giveaway. So let's hop over to the URL comment picker. I have the URL in already. I have crown. That was our secret code word. And remember, you do have to be subscribed to all channels. That is number 15, 6 plus 9, and must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the Continental USA, and basic rules apply. YouTube and our Fabfitfun is not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. All items given have been purchased by myself and are given or gotten through a box. So here we go. Let's find out how many comments we have. We have 74. Wow, thank you everybody. I appreciate that participation. And I wish you all the best of luck. We can only have one winner, and let's find out who it is. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Marie K. Hey Marie K, I think you might be new to my channel. Your crown is beautiful and you got a nice box. I think I like Sue's box the best, and I rate this an 8. So, okay, I have to check and make sure Marie is subscribed to all channels, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. It's official. Marie is our winner. Marie, you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your prize out to you right away. And everyone, let's congratulate Marie. Remember, there are other giveaways that are available if you'll check my description, and there will be collabs and more giveaways coming up. Right now, I'm celebrating my 850 subscriber celebration, and I thank you all for supporting my channel and being my friends. I really appreciate you all. As for today, that's all I have. Me and my puppy say, have a great day, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.